Hey, this is Danielle, the domestic scientist. In today's video, we're doing a Valentine's Tablescape with three slightly different place settings. I can't wait to find out which one you like the most. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start off by talking about the foundation of my place setting, and we're going to work this place setting three different ways. The first thing we're putting down is my Williams Sonoma placemat. This Williams Sonoma placemat is absolutely everything. Now, I love the Williams Sonoma store, and I think they have wonderful table linens and a gorgeous set of china. This particular placemat has just a beautiful, beautiful pattern. It has bold black and white. It has lovely accents of gold and pops of blue and red, and I think it's going to be the foundation for a great place setting today. Now, to accent the Williams Sonoma placemat, I'm going to use a cherry red charger plate. Now, I happen to find this charger plates at a local consignment shop, and I got a great deal on a large set of these. So this gorgeous cherry red charger plate is going to really accent the red in the Williams Sonoma placemat, and I think it is going to be absolutely beautiful. Now, when it comes to the dinner plate, this is where I'm going to have some fun. Now, I created this DIY decoupage dinner plate last year for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love it. I actually picked this pattern because I just was not able to find a plate that has like a French-inspired swirly type pattern on it or like any type of script. So I thought this is a gorgeous plate, and I think it is going to add a nice rustic and French romantic feel to today's place setting. Now, to top off my place setting, I have a beautiful polka dots black and white napkin that I found at my local Home Goods. Now, this year I'm really going to start learning how to layer more and more patterns together. So I have this gorgeous placemat from Williams Sonoma, but I'm accenting it with a crazy black and white polka dot and a scripted dinner plate. I think it's going to be a wonderful combination. I'm going to top it off with a bold black and white striped salad plate that I found at my local Hobby Lobby. And these plates were super affordable at Hobby Lobby, and I think the bold black and white striped pattern is going to pair nicely with the Williams Sonoma placemat as well. And it's just going to add a layer of interest, and it is a bit busy, but it's also a very bold statement place setting, and I think the red just really ties everything together. So when it comes to topping off my place setting, for my first place setting, I'm going to do something a little bit fun. This is a base to a bird cage that I found at a local home decor store. And I think that the color of this is so earthy and kind of rustic and works very well with the Williams Sonoma placemat. It kind of brings in some more of those warm elements and kind of ties everything together. So I'm going to put a lovely red rose right on top of my wooden base because it's going to bring in more of that bold pop of color, and it's going to pair well with my red charger plate. And then of course I'm going to put the top of my bird cage on, and we're going to encapsulate the rose. And this is how I did my first place setting. All right, so the centerpiece for today's table for me is really epic. I love the centerpiece, and the star of the centerpiece is this gorgeous black vase that I got last year at Home Goods. This piece is from Tahari Home collection, and it is super popular. A lot of people on YouTube got it as well, but it is a stunning piece. It's a metal vase. It's got a gorgeous texture to it. It's got a beautiful shape. It is a very feminine and sophisticated piece. When it comes to the floral arrangement, I did my favorite white hydrangeas, but I popped in a couple of really dark blue berries, and then of course I punctuated this floral arrangement with just a couple of pieces of red roses because it adds that color and it really gives you that Valentine's feel to it. And I think the centerpiece is absolutely beautiful, and it pairs so well with the place setting and really gives you that romantic and sophisticated type of vibe to today's tablescape. Now, the first place setting, I think, because of the red roses, has a very feminine look, and I think it will be perfect for a nice Galentine's gathering. So for this second place setting look, I took away the bird cage and the roses, and I decided to just take that polka dot black and white napkin, fold it into kind of a bow tie, and put it right on top of the black and white striped salad plate. Now, for me, I envision a group of guys getting together to have dinner around Valentine's, and this is what the place setting would look like. I think it is absolutely beautiful, and it has more masculine vibe, still very fun. You get to appreciate all of the different pattern, but it has a lot more black and white, and it pulls back a little bit more on the red. So for my last table look, I decided to mix both of the place settings. I have two male place settings with the bow ties and two female place settings with the roses, and now we've got a couples table. So leave a comment in the box below and let me know which of these place settings you like the most. So I'm Danielle, the domestic scientist. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.